How to change the zip code of the Walmart app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll show you how you can change the zip code of your Walmart application, so you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change the zip code of our Walmart app, there are two ways basically. One is if you're talking about your delivery details and addresses. In that case, you can come to the account page over here. Once you come to the account tab, here you want to go to the option called addresses. Once you go to addresses, here you'll be able to see our current address. So just tap on the edit button. And then here you'll also be able to see the current zip code. So you can just change this delivery zip code to some other zip code that you might want to save it. And then just tap on the save option. Now once you've done that, the other thing you can do is first we are going to clear the data. So long press on it and then go to the I button over here. And then first of all go to storage, then clear cache and then clear data. Once you clear cache and data, now we're going to come back and then reopen the Walmart application again. Once you reopen the Walmart app, just sign into your account and then make sure to enter the email address and the password as well. So let me also go ahead and do that respectively. Once you enter your email and password, just tap on the sign in option. Now when you tap on the sign in option, as you can see right over here, it will ask you to enter your zip code, which means to share your zip code. And this is the another way you can change the zip code. You can use the current location if you want, or you can simply enter its zip code manually. Keep in mind that the products that you see in Walmart varies upon the zip code that you enter here. So if you enter a zip code from some other international country, then you will most likely see products related to that specific region. Now just tap on the search button and then your zip code will be successfully added. And these are some of the ways on how you can change your zip code on the Walmart app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.